Hey everybody, it's Jennifer. I was gifted the most amazing item. It is a telescopic light. This is great for indoors or out. We recently had a several-day power outage, and this would have been amazing to have. So it comes very well packaged. It has a user manual, and this comes in a handy dandy carrying bag. So of course you can use this for camping, and like I said, if your power goes out, it is rechargeable, and here it is. This is kind of heavy in the best way. So when you open it up, it pops open, and then you can set it on the ground with the touch of a button. It turns on. Now let's see all of the details. Let's take close-up looks. Okay, here it is. I absolutely love this. So this has a 7-section telescopic pole that can be extended up to 50.7 inches. So this is really adjustable, and you can create the lighting that you would like. The base is anti-slip, and that is going to stay in place indoor and out. You get 3 levels of brightness adjustment, and you have a very long battery life. This is equipped with a 20,000 mAh battery. So not only is this going to last long, but it's also a power source. Like, I'm charging my iPad here, and the battery life ranges from 7 hours to 21 hours, depending on the brightness that you have. This is where you turn it on and adjust the brightness. Super easy to use. It is an LED light, and the frame is super durable. It is waterproof, and it's made of this aluminum alloy. So it's durable and really stable. It has anti-corrosion and anti-rust properties. And it's going to allow you to use this in all different weather conditions. When you're finished with it, you just pull this little ring at the bottom, and it collapses, and then you wind it up and push the lamp all the way in, and you are all set. If you go camping, have an RV, or just maybe even work on your cars outside at night, this is so great. Treat yourself. This would also make a great gift for your dad or grandpa or uncle, anyone who really loves to work outside. They can work on that lawn and on all of their projects well into the evening when it gets dark. Love that this is portable. I also have visions of using this at an evening tailgate party before a big game. Again, this is a telescopic camping light. It's waterproof, 3 levels of brightness, up to a 21-hour runtime. Great for emergencies, and just fun for camping and all of your outdoor events at night. Definitely check this one out. I am loving it.